This 2023 KZ Connect SE 221 FKK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, Skylight, water heater, microwave, LP detector, external shower, oven, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 KZ Connect SE 221 FKK is 5,490 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.